got off a little bit later than I would have liked this morning. I had a good breakfast at a restaurant and worked on my pannier a little bit more just to give me some more peace of mind. These are some of the roads that were flooded yesterday too. So up here, further up, is where the road was completely washed out. Oh jeez, it's a good pothole. You just don't know what's under the water. So the road should be good to go up here. Really hoping, or else I packed and everything for no reason. Beautiful day. Oh yeah, there's someone coming. I think we're good. Yeah, here's where it was washed out. Looks like they got her done. Awesome. What a mess. Holy. All right, on the road again. ¿Cómo estás?
Spanish?
¿A poco? Aprendiendo. ¿Inglés?
Igual.
Sí, sí.
¿Qué pasó aquí, güey? ¿Te caíste o qué?
Man,
¿Te caíste?
air, ya, sí. Oh. Es muy grueso, muy alto. Oh. No bien.
El Golfo.
Es 30 litros gasolina. So. Hola, buenos días.
¿Dónde vienes?
¿Cómo estás?
Bien, ¿de dónde vienes?
Bien. ¿Dónde?
Ajá.
San Felipe.
No, ¿de Puerto Peñasco?
Golfo de Santa Clara.
Ah, ok.
Sí.
¿Sí me ofreces una inspección?
Oh, sí. Sí.
¿Sí puedes bajar un momento?
¿Perdón?
Bájale nomás. Chingado. ¿Qué motor es?
200 poco español. Oh, ya, normal.
260.
Sí.
Está bien. ¿Sí, pues, abrir?
Ya.
Ábrelo.
So, cuchillo, acampara.
Oh, sí. Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah. Solo acampara.
Ah, sí, no. Aquí que yo.
Sí.
Ay, 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 primo.
Ah.
Ay, ay, primo.
Uno. Ah.
A ver, ¿qué otra también? No, aquí está mucho. ¿O este no, este?
Sí.
No. Ah, ese chingado con ese. Aquí.
Es cámara.
Cámara.
Sí.
Oh, yes. Chimo. Dale. Vámonos.
Bonito. Gracias. Buen día. Adiós, amigo. right, not too shabby. This morning, my friend Kobe, he sent me a report that the mountains just east of San Felipe received their first snowfall yesterday. So of course we'll be on the beach. Things will be a little different. Badass insurance. That is hilarious. Obviously, San Felipe is well known for its association with Baja desert racing. The signs just reminded me, right, Baja. Oh, rice and beans. That's kind of a famous restaurant, actually. That's where I'm gonna go. On our way to the camping spot, about 15 minutes out. So this place, it's about 20 minutes outside of San Felipe. Oh, I just had a wicked dinner at Rice and Beans, kind of a well-known restaurant there. Diablo shrimp and a beer. Also picked up some beers for camping. Nice area around here. San Felipe is a nice little town. Adios, San Felipe. Hey perro, hey perro, hey okay, tranquilo, tranquilo perro, hey, bien, 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 hey bien, hey, ¿cómo estás? Hey, there we go, hey, bien, bien perro. Hola señor.
Hola.
¿Acampar aquí?
Ya, sí.
¿Carpa o qué? ¿Carpa? ¿Carpa?
Sí.
Ok.
Órale. Vámonos. Ush. Ush.
¿Cuánto cuesta por carpa?
200.
Ok. Perfecto.
Are you going to South?
Sí.
La Paz? San Cabo? El Cabo?
La Paz. Yeah. So,
Anyway, very far, no?
¿verdad?
Too far.
Sí. Primero, Guadalajara. Mazatlán, Las Glorias, Puerto Lobos. Ya, viaje largo.
Muy largo. Mucho largo.
Gracias.
Big metal palapa over there. You can just go straight to your left. You're going to see.
Perfecto. Gracias.
Okay, gracias.
And we got a palapa. Hey, perro. Hey. Oh, don't do it, man. Don't do it. You got more to live for. You got more to live for than that. Oh, man. There's so many dogs like that here. Hey, you're okay. This must be her. Sweet. That worked. Woo. Wow. You guys look ridiculous right now. So silly. Well, I brought my snorkel stuff because I promise I will be using it this trip. So it won't be in San Felipe. My next stop will be Catavinia. It probably won't be in Catavinia because that's in the middle of the Baja. It's like a cactus wonderland, I guess. I can't wait to get there. So yeah, anyways, I don't know, I might go for a swim. It's about 3:30 p.m. I think. December 23rd today. Yeah, camp is set up. We're ready to sleep already. So yeah, first beer of the day. Go check out the beach. Going for a little walk here. Show you the area. So there's not too many people here. There's the camper van there. A couple RVs up top. But I don't know if those RVs are just stored here or if people are staying in them. This is kind of a vacant house. It's my place. This is mi casa here. It's funny, this sheet metal roof, the corrugated sheet metal. So in the very corner, hopefully you'll hear it today, but when the wind hits it right, it sounds like a horror movie. It's hilarious. Oh, I'll grab my beer. Yeah, it's pretty quiet, pretty deserted, which is perfect. Because really, I'm trying to stay away from the crowds. Just out having a little stroll here. It's about 4 p.m. and really there's not a lot of sunlight left. I think maybe a half hour. Just due to the geography here, it's going to be down behind the hills. So going to be an early night, I think. I gotta find some books though. I brought 3 books and I've read 2 of them. And the only one I have left. It's like a self-improvement book, and those get kind of boring after a while. I need something exciting. But yeah, I looked for bookstores today. There's nothing in San Felipe, and I don't think the pickings are gonna get any better. Oh, there's the sun there. Not much left. I know I jinx myself every time I say this, but tonight's gonna be a relaxing, peaceful sleep. Right? Right? Just looked at the forecast for the next few days. It's looking like it's gonna be about 19, 20 every day for the next 5 or 6, so that works for me. It's good riding weather. It's warm enough I can go swimming too if I want, and also I can do some swimming in Catavina. I think there's supposed to be some kind of oasis there and a pool, and there's waterfalls too, so hopefully I'll be able to find them. I think I'll spend 2 days there, 2 nights. It's supposed to be a pretty special area. Bike's running good, no issues there. Got that pannier mostly fixed up. It's still a little bent out of shape. I did lay the bike over in the past, and it kind of dented in that one pannier a little bit and bent the frame, so I ended up buying a bottle jack, and I put it inside and pushed out the sides of the box and the frame. So, but man, those Touratech boxes are tough. Those boxes can take an extreme pounding,